Namaskara. I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today I will discuss to you about liquid waste decomposer used in kitchen garden. What we call kitchen garden or Bagh Bagicha. In our early stages, everybody has a Bagh Bagicha. Where we live, we keep some space for the cultivation of our vegetable and fruits. Now we are living in the flats, there is very small space. Even then we can do the kitchen garden, as lot of my persons are doing it. It is easy with the waste decomposer. This liquid waste decomposer is very useful for our kitchen garden. What we have to do, we can take a small container or bucket, 10 liter or 20 liter capacity. If it is 10 liter, you put 100 gram jaggery. If it is 20 liter, you can get 200 gram jaggery. Less or more has no harm. Then you can put liquid waste decomposer, 1 bottle inside. If it is winter, it will be ready by 4 or 5 days. If you have kept in winter up at roof with the sunlight, it will take 3 days. Or if it is warm, it will take less time. Within 2 days, it is ready. So once it is ready, some fermentation smell will get. Now, as such, we are using it with the water, 1:1 ratio. Now, some more work you can do in place of chemical fertilizers, because if you want to take a good yield, you take a cake, that is our mustard cake or groundnut cake, any cake which whatever is available to the in your nearby. In north it is mustard cake is easily available. In Gujarat it is your groundnut cake is available, but other place it is neem cake, other cake you can take it. Any cake you can take. Take a 5 kg of cake. If your small area is less, take a 1 kg and put it in the any bucket or in another pond. Don't put it in any your metallic pot. You put it in earthen pot, what you call ghada. There you put 1 kg of your mustard cake and fill with the waste decomposer what you have prepared, 7 days, 8 days old, put it inside. Just to make it sure, if it is your cake is this level up to 1 feet above, you have to fill the liquid waste decomposer solution so that it will nicely dipped. After 4 or 5 days it will wet and it is all your its nutrition will come out. Crush it with the hand and then take a 1 magha, small, your small any plastic container, half liter, 1 liter, whatever things. If it is half liter, generally it comes half liter. Take a half liter and mix with 4 or 5 more water, this same container, so that it is 1:5 ratio. If it is diluted, no harm. Concentrated, no harm. So don't afraid, don't measure it. Just approximately you put it, and that solution you put in your your pot, gamlas what you call. This practice every time when you do the irrigation, you do with this only. You will see everything will grow very nicely. If you want to spray, same thing you can spray. If you have a cow dung, if you have any animals, that also either it is goat drop or it is a cow drop or it is buffalo drop, take a 1 kg and mix with this our cake solution again. It will ready 3 days. Same solution you use, no need of anything from outside. This will take care. If you want to go one one more advanced stage. Then you have to make the PROM. PROM I have shown you. You can take some rock phosphate if it is available. Otherwise, if you are, you can take it in place of rock phosphate. You can take a bone meal, bone dust. If you are avoiding this, you can take any other your source of phosphorus. And if you are non-veg, you are taking the fish, you are taking the meat, you are taking this chickens, their bones you can take it, crush it and put in one pot separately, earthen pot, and fill with the waste decomposed solution. It will slowly release. You take it liquid, after 10 days take a liquid, mix it and spray it or put it in your soil. Again you put the decomposer solution. If you want, you can put 20 gram jaggery inside also. It is useful, there is no harm. So everything is ready now with you. With this, if you are doing the cultivation, you will get very good results. Today I want to share it. One kitchen garden has been done by the one of my IT people. In spite of his busy schedules, he is doing the very good farming in his terrace garden on the roof, top roof. He started 3 years back, but he has failed to do it. But with use of waste decomposer, he is able to achieve this all type of vegetables. He is doing very extraordinary work. He is in Gurgaon, in Haryana, border of our Delhi. You can see he harvested cauliflower about 1 kg in one pot, 900 gram, which is generally never grow in your terrace farming. It grows in the mainland. It is hard to get with the chemicals. Whatever he achieved with your liquid use of liquid waste decomposer along with prawn and other things. I have asked him to share some video. He has shared video without voice. I am requesting him to put his voice and share it again. But he got this cauliflower, he got the other vegetables. You can see in cauliflower what I am claiming. It increased the photosynthesis, increased the leaf index. To leaf he got 43 centimeter. Means 1 feet, 1.25 feet, one leaf. And good harvesting. Color also you see. It looks yellowish color of our some of the cauliflower that we call desi. Taste will be super. And he harvested other leafy vegetables. That photo he has shared, I am sharing it. And some good your flower plants. You see the flower, quality of the flower. Even maize, how much it is luxurious growth is there. So that he achieved in his kitchen garden. And we using this waste decomposer along with it has changed his life. As per his word only, I am putting in this video what he messages me. That will encourage you. So you can also do in a small kitchen garden. Doesn't matter what the size you have space. You don't have roof. You do in your balcony. But take some vegetables with use of liquid waste decomposer. It is easy to get. It is no disease. When you are spraying waste decomposer, again I repeat, in house, environment will change, your pathogens will kill, because that I have shown you now if you are using this liquid waste decomposer, it kills bacteria in 2 minutes, fungus in 5 minutes. It is a standard international test. So that you can do it. So in your house, if you are spraying waste decomposer, it will be good for health. You will see your always when you are getting this your allergy, that will be reduced. It has reported by a number of farmers, and I have also observed it is same. So it is no side effect. It will give, certainly some smell is there because it is contains your cow dung bacteria, cow urine bacteria, but it is useful, very useful. It will, we all know, if you use the cow dung, it stops the fungal diseases. We are putting in the house, that I have already told you, when we are putting in our house in the cow dung, you will see up to 1 year there is no fungus on the wall. So this is the beauty of our cow dung. From there it has been taken the bacteria that are doing the same work. So you use it because our cow dung contains lot of bacteria. I have taken some, but it contains full of knowledge, full of your value, full of medicinal value, full of your things. We cannot compare. So some of things what we are getting, we are using, and still I am doing the work. I told you carbon fixing bacteria, that is also part of this our cow dung. So slowly what I am getting it, I am putting it in the waste decomposer so that everybody has to get results. But one thing is firm, you must use liquid waste decomposer and see the results. Don't believe, don't come any influence of any negative people. They are not aware, they are simply shouting it, they are simply telling it wrong things, they are for their sake of their business, for sake of influence with the chemical, for sake of some other motto. I don't know. But you must try. It is my humble request to everyone. Please once try. Not only once, 5 times. 5 times use in your kitchen garden or 5 times use in your with water, with the spray in the field. And then you see the results. Test it everywhere, anywhere in the world, test it. It is open secret, but it is for the farmers, so I cannot tell the everything. It is the farmers. Certainly, I will hand over everything to the farmers in future. They will produce their own. But safeguard, it is with me. I am just educating it. I am just sharing my views. It all practical views. Theoretical, I am able to some explain. I am not able because it is nowhere written in the book. And something is written in our Veds. Some I am able to understand, some I am not able to understand because it is very tough, and it is Sanskrit. Some in Hindi we are able to speak, some we are speaking. As many times as you read, you will get new meaning, new things. So that is my request. See this scientific and Vedic composition and our boon of cow, this our bacterias, how is doing the miracles in the field, how is doing with changing our life, how is changing our environment, how is changing the water, how is changing our animals things. Thank you very much. I am sharing this photos and some video which has shared by the gentleman of Gurgaon, and I am also putting his number, but please while calling him, first you just take his permission, send the WhatsApp. When he says, then you can call him because he is IT people, busy people, daytime he used to do work. So don't disturb it, but certainly you can ask him, take the advantage, his experience. He is very qualified person, and he is doing he has turned to the this kitchen garden. Now he is thinking for his village to land also can convert. It is very good sign. That is also dream. Every people has to maintain their village, maintain their kitchen garden or field with the new scientific way, with the new knowledge, so that cultivation is easy, and some environmental change, some our people's life change, some input cost, everything will go. When people, like educated people, are doing something, certainly they will put their brain, and when they put their brain, certainly some new things will come up. Thank you very much.